Hi ma'am, sir. Ni hao先生, tai tai. 我的名叫 Sir Maida Dahlia, 34 years old, married. My experience in Singapore 2 years 3 months. First employer 3 months, from July 2017 until October 2017. Second employer 2 years, from 2017 until 2019. My job is take care baby 3 months. Change the clothes, change diaper, give milk and feeding food. I can cook Chinese food, steam fish, steam eggs, fried rice, fried vegetable. I am in the kitchen. This is fridge, hand towel, hand soap, water tap and sink, coffee maker, water jug, gas stove, and this is kitchen cabinet.